Hi there, it's Adam here from Leisure Outlet. All I've got here today is the Picota folding chair from Outwell. As you can see, it comes with a carry bag and features a great pack size. Perfect for storing in the garage compartment of your motorhome, caravan, boot of your car or canal boat. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble this chair and talk to you about some of the features. It's available to purchase on leisureoutlet.com and priced at $34.75. Simply take it out of this bag. You've got a convenient carry handle. Simply flip up the sides, and that's the back of the chair there. Pull on the arms, 1 foot on the base, and pull the lever here until this locks into place. Like so. To the side of the chair, you've got a pull-out table with an integrated cup holder there. So that's the Outwell Picota folding chair, fully assembled. So what you've got the 100% polyester material. It's based on the director's chair, so what that means, you've got the high back and the wide seating area, and you've got the arms there as well, offering great comfort. Supplied with the foam pads as well. What it's built on, it's built on a strong and stable steel frame. As you can see, it's got a wide base, lowering the centre of gravity, perfect for any terrain such as a beach. To pack away this chair, very simple. All you need to do, 1 foot on the base, push down on the arm, that separates that joint there. Pack away the table, that locks into place. Simply bring the arms together, push down on the back, and these just simply fold round to lock into place. Convenient carry handle, and there it is, ready to pack away. It's available to purchase on leisureoutlet.com, priced at $34.75.